Welcome to Class Builder tutorial number 3, building your cues. So we've already established the class name, the class segment, and now within each segment we can establish some cues. So we're going to start from a given segment, in this case the warm-up, since we just established that a minute ago. So we touch Add a New Cue, and we're taken to the cue entry screen. First, we'll put in some text. Now this doesn't have to be exactly what you'll say in class. It can just be a reminder to yourself. You can use as few or as little words as you like that'll fit in that field. After you enter in your text, the first thing to designate in the parameters is the cue start time. And this is the time that that reminder or that text will show up on your iPod or iPhone as you're teaching. By tapping the next button on the lower right corner, you'll go through target cadence, target heart zone, target RPE or rate of perceived exertion, and power. We're going to set just about everything but leave power alone at the moment, and all of these are optional. You can select one or none if you like. It's all up to how much detail you'd like to have to help you cue during class. As we tap done and we come back, we'll see that that cue is now showing on that segment. On the left side we see the time that cue will fire, the text of that cue, and over on the right side you see an abbreviation for what heart zone or level of intensity that is being programmed. In the next part of this tutorial, editing cues and moving songs, I've gone ahead and already added a few more cues. As you can see, one will fire at 2 minutes into the song, the other one will fire 3 minutes into the song. You'll notice up in the right hand corner that the song is 4 minutes long, so I have plenty of time. But notice how the middle cue is a different color. This was actually a mistake. I selected Zone 2 when I really meant to stay in the middle of Zone 1. We're just 2 minutes into the class. So we're going to show you how to edit a cue. Just touch that middle cue, come in and you'll see where it says Heart Zone Target 2, and just change it to 1 and come back. And there you see the color changes, and I can see the abbreviation is appropriate as well. Now we come back to our main screen for the class by tapping the back button, and I see warming up is all the way at the bottom of the list. Class Builder defaults to put every new segment at the end of the class. So you could build song by song if you like to build a class that way. It's very simple to reorder this and move that warming up cue or segment above by tapping the edit button in the upper right corner first. You'll see your screen change, the minus signs on the left and the little edit symbols on the right. Just tap that symbol on the right, hold your finger down, and slide it all the way up to the top and let go. Once you've put that segment all the way to the top, just tap done and your reordering is complete.